new year is known to jump with a resolution. And if you're feeling hungover from the holidays or looking to improve your health, Dry January just might be right for you. And by the way, you won't be doing it alone. A new poll revealing 54% of U.S. adults drink alcohol, a record low. Joining us now is Dr. Mike Caldwell, Chief Medical Officer for Dry January USA. Dr. Caldwell, Happy New Year. Thanks so much for joining us.
Happy New Year, Nicole. Good morning. This is really great news.
Yeah, it really is. So what do you think is the trend of Americans decreasing their alcohol intake?
I think the evidence is piling up and Americans are paying attention. In addition, there are just more options out there. Last year with the Surgeon General's advisory on the link between alcohol and cancer, and Nicole, you know from your own work that there's a real strong link between alcohol and breast cancer. So why give cancer a head start? You know, a lot of people are looking at this, and we here are happy to be the home of Dry January USA at Meharry Medical College in Nashville, Tennessee. It's a big year for us today. We're starting our 150th anniversary, and I work at our schools of medicine, our School of Global Health, and we do extra research at our School of Graduate Studies. And we want people to know that you don't have to do it alone. We have a free app. It's called Try Dry. And people with their intentions who want to do Dry January, you don't have to do it any other way than the way you want to do it. We ask people to put a mirror up to their own relationship with alcohol. Look on our website, dryjanuaryusa.org, and you could download that Try Dry app. If you use the app, you double your chances of success, whether you want to go dry for the whole month or just cut back. In the end, nobody's forcing you to do Dry January. We want people to know that if you pause, you're going to be successful in reducing your alcohol use long term.
Well, and Brown University, they came out with this quick little list of health benefits of Dry January. So people who abstained for 5 weeks from alcohol, they had liver fat down by 15%, blood glucose down by 23%, weight down by 3 pounds, sleep quality improved by 10%, concentration improved by 18%. I mean, obviously, as you know, all of these things, you know, when they're not being managed, they can lead to inflammation, which, as you pointed out, can increase your risk of cancer and others. But it's not necessarily that you have to cut cold turkey forever and abstain from alcohol. There are some health benefits from just decreasing the amount of alcohol. What are some tips for decreasing the amount of alcohol?
Well, you have a lot of company with 70 million Americans every year saying they want to do Dry January. And that journey is personal for them, whatever they want. And a lot of people do it together with friends. Yeah, Americans love a challenge. And this is just a great way to even challenge yourself to see what is your relationship with alcohol. What are your triggers? Just observe them. You don't even have to reduce alcohol. Just get more in touch with yourself. And yeah, that's great news. Even if you're thinking about it, reducing a little, you're going to get long-term benefits. You know, people, I want them to know, you don't have to think of this as alcohol. People want to know, how can I lower my blood pressure without taking a medicine? How could I sleep better? How can I get in better shape? How can I lower my cholesterol? Well, this is just one way to do it. How can I lower my blood sugar and feel better? Well, reducing alcohol in your life is absolutely one of the most important ways.
And I guarantee if you're wearing one of those wearables, whichever type it is, it'll tell you you're probably not sleeping as well, and you're probably not doing as well as you could after those excessive days and nights from alcohol. So heading into 2026, you do what's right for you. Thank you so much, Dr. Caldwell.
Thank you. And please wear yellow. Yellow's the official color for Dry January. And we're looking forward to President Trump's leadership to light the White House yellow for us.
All right, I like it.
Hey, Sean Hannity here. Hey, click here to subscribe to Fox News YouTube page and catch our hottest interviews and most compelling analysis. You will not get it anywhere else.